So hello friends and welcome back. Today we are going to start exercise 2.3 of chapter number 2 of class 9 maths, polynomials. So in previous video I completed 2.2. So now question number 1 of exercise 2.3 is that you have to divide this whole polynomial. It's just this much. This polynomial, you have to divide this polynomial with this term. You have to divide this with this. But in question number 1 it is not mentioned that you have to divide it with long division method. So you do not need to divide it with long division method. So if we do not use long division method here, so it can simply be done like this. First of all, we will have to write p of x means this is equals to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now you will write here, now this x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 1. Now you will write here p of minus 1 means whether it's given x, you will put minus 1. Cube of minus 1, 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So I hope you understood till here. Now we are going to do cube of minus 1 is minus 1, but square of minus 1 is 1 and 3 into 1 is 3 plus minus is minus, plus minus minus is here, and 3 into 1 is 3 here plus 1. So if we remove this bracket here, then simply minus 1 and plus 1 will be cut, and plus 3 and minus 3 will be cut. So the answer is 0. So the answer is 0. Here it is solved. First one, point number 1 of question number 1 is solved. You can simply do by using this method. If in the question it is not mentioned the long division method. In examination, if in the question it is mentioned, then do the division of this polynomial with this term by long division method. Then you will have to do the long division method. And what is long division method? I will show when we will reach at that question. But right now we are going to solve it in a simple way. So now point 2 of question number 1. Yeah, point 2 of question number 1 is x minus 1 upon 2. Yeah, so here we are getting a fraction. So first of all, remember the steps. We have to write the polynomial, that is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Then we are going to write now. Remember, don't do is equal to sign here after now. Here you will do an arrow and then write x minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 0. Because if you will do, because if you will do is equal to sign here, then the checker of the examination will think that this you are using an is equal to sign for this. Sorry, it's a little complicated thing. the checker will think that you are solving this and the answer will be this, and you are solving this and the answer will be this, and 2 is equal to 2 is in line is better for an equation, not for a term. So for that, please not put is equal to here. That's why I have put the arrow sign here, because many people do it. I have noticed. I have also done it. So now I have practiced and I have got the habit to not do it. Now x is equals to 1 upon 2. Now here we are going to write p of 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 square. No, 1 upon 2 cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. So here cube of 1 is 1 upon 4. No, it's cube, not square. So here it will be 1 upon 8 plus, see, 1 upon 3 upon 4, because square of 1 is 1 and 3 into 1 is 3, square of 2 is 4, and below here nothing is given, so we can cross multiply 1, 2 and 4. Here it will be 4, then 4 and 4. It is really simple. It just seems complicated, but it's really simple. So here also 3 upon 2 plus 1. So now what we did in class 6-7, we are going to do here. We are going to find LCM of 8, 4, 2. The LCM will be 8, but just for simple understanding, I am showing how to find LCM. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and 2 fours are. Here again 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Here again 2 is there, 1, 1, 1. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 is there. So we are going to write, we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply 8 with this whole, means 1 upon 8 into 8. So here 8 it will be cut, so 1 will be remaining, plus 3 upon 4 into 8, so 4 ones are and 4 twos are and 3 twos are is 6, plus 3 upon 2 into 8, so it will be 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8, and 4 to 4 are 4 3 are 12, plus 8 into 1 is equals to 8 upon 8. I hope the screen is visible. Yes, it is. So now 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 20 is equals to 27 upon 8. And here it is solved, because 27 upon 8 further cannot be reduced. So this is the answer, only this much part, that's rough work. This is the answer of point 2 of question number 1. So here question number 1 is also completed of exercise 2.3, and we are going to begin. We are going to begin with question number 2 of exercise 1.3. So in question number 2, we have to find the remainder . Here it is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a, and we have to divide it with x minus a. Here same is there, we have to do the same. We have to divide x minus a with whole this, and in question it is not mentioned long division method, so we are not going to do it with long division method. See, long division method is going to come in exercise 2.5. so in exercise 2.34 we are going to divide by using the simple method only. So now we are going to solve this. So first we are going to write p of x will be equals to x square minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now we are going to do simplification of the term, that will be a. So now we are going to write p of a is equals to a square minus a into a square. Oh, what is this? X is got a. Here it is a square. Here it is a into a square. Now it will be plus 6 into a minus a. So see here. Yeah, sorry for the delay. Here a square minus a. We have to, sorry, let's first do this, then this, and then this. So it will be a square minus a cube. See, here it is cube now. Here it was square, here it is cube, because a where nothing is there, so 1. This both are same, so we are going to add this because it's multiply. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 6 into a is 6a minus a. So now, just a second. Yeah, sorry. In the question I was checking this, that in the question it is actually given x cube. So here it will be x cube. So here this will also be a cube and this will also be a cube. So now this is nothing, no sign is given here, that means plus is here. Plus a cube minus a cube is cut, so plus 6a minus a. So plus 6a minus a. Here we do not have to remove a. See, 6a minus a. So nothing is there in front of a, so it will be 1. Let me do it in drop work here. See, 6a minus a. Here nothing is there, so it will be 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5 and a minus a is nothing. So the answer is equals to 5. So the remainder by doing this will be 5. So I hope you understood this topic. So in next video we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 2.3. So till then, goodbye.